G'day guys, Matt from KCK Lubricants here again today. Just want to do a really quick video on DOT 5.1 brake fluid. Very similar to the DOT 4 brake fluid in its makeup. It is borate ester based, 70 to 80%. This allows more room for the additives to improve its boiling point and its serviceability. Still hygroscopic, it will absorb moisture, and it's something to keep an eye on as it does lower the boiling point somewhat. It also still contains glycol, so if you spill it on your paint, it will damage it. You need to rinse that off with water as quickly as you can. Dry boiling temperature of 260 degrees C and a wet boiling temperature of 180 degrees C. Perfect performance brake fluid, used a lot in heavy duty street applications or towing or whatever. Mild track use, it's still the go. It does mix with the DOT 3 and the DOT 4 brake fluid. It is expensive. It is expensive to manufacture, and in some parts of the world it's really difficult to get it because of these reasons. But that's it. Quick rundown on DOT 5.1 brake fluid. I hope it was helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up. Make sure you've subscribed. Any suggestions on future content, leave a comment below. We do check it. And thanks for watching.